how to change cart page in Shopify Dawn theme. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in our Shopify Dawn theme. And to be able to modify our cart page, we first need to navigate into that page by simply selecting this option over here at the top at the center. Clicking this will allow us to view extra pages that we are able to modify. And over here, we have our cart. Simply select this and you will be able to see in our page, this is our current cart page. And now what we could do is we could see over here on the left side, we have our different parts of our cart. So we have our header, our template, which is the body and the footer. So if you want to add information about here in the footer, you can click on add section and you're able to add an email sign up over here. For the template, we are able to add more things. As you can see, there's more options for you to be able to add here. So simply select the thing that you want to add. For example, a collection list. You are able to add that into your cart over here. And you can also modify your page itself. So right now, it's not showing us anything because, of course, it's empty. But we are able to modify the inside of this as well. So simply add all the things that you want, remove the things that you don't want, and simply click on save over here on the top right, and you will be able to save the modification that you have changed in your cart page. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.